Managing your money effectively is crucial for achieving financial stability and reaching your goals. Let's explore 7 simple yet powerful tips to improve your money management skills. Start by creating a comprehensive budget that outlines your income and expenses. Visualize your financial landscape by listing all sources of income and categorizing expenses such as housing, groceries, and entertainment. This budgeting process enables you to track where your money goes and identify areas for adjustment. Next, prioritize your expenses by distinguishing between needs and wants. Needs are essential costs like rent and utilities, while wants encompass discretionary spending. By focusing on needs, you can allocate your funds more wisely and reduce impulse purchases, creating a cushion for savings. Once you have control over your spending, it's important to build an emergency fund. Picture a financial safety net that covers unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, providing peace of mind and avoiding debt during emergencies. Another tip is to pay off high-interest debts as quickly as possible. Visualize yourself as a skilled archer, aiming for targets. Redirect the energy used for unnecessary spending toward eliminating debts that weigh you down, such as credit card balances. The satisfaction of clearing these debts will open up opportunities for future investments. Furthermore, set specific savings goals that inspire you. Whether it's a dream vacation or a down payment on a home, these tangible milestones fuel your desire to save. Make these goals visible by using charts or vision boards and celebrate small victories along the way to maintain motivation. Consider automating your finances as the next step. Picture a seamless flow where funds are automatically transferred to savings accounts or investments. By setting up automatic transfers, you reduce the temptation to spend, ensuring that you consistently contribute to your financial goals. Lastly, educate yourself about financial literacy. Invest time in learning the basics of personal finance, from understanding interest rates to exploring investment options. The more knowledgeable you become, the more empowered you will be to make wise financial decisions that influence your future significantly.